to as many U.S. business owners, franchise owners, entrepreneurs, and also independent incomers or 1099 income earners. You need to know about how to save taxes legally. So let's start off with 3 questions. Number 1, do you want to leave a legacy for future generations? Number 2, do you want to save federal income taxes year after year, generation after generations? And number 3, do you want to know the secret of the rich? If you answered yes to all 3 questions, you're in the right place. The Spendthrift Trust is legal. It's in the IRS Tax Code 643B. It's been in front of the United States Supreme Court on 2 separate occasions, and both times it's been favored. You can't get more legal than this. The Benson Financial Trust was written by a Harvard law professor 76 years ago, and it's never been audited. He actually wrote 5 different trusts to save 5 very specific taxes. Today we're talking about the Business Trust. The Business Trust will save you at least 90% on your federal income taxes, and in 43 states, you will no longer pay state income taxes. It's an amazing thing. When you think about it, if you're making more than $80,000 gross a year, you will be saving at least 5 figures in taxes every single year. You will use this money to pay off your mortgage, to buy a new car, take a family on vacation, to give to charity, or save for retirement. You can spend your money any which way you like. I have clients in all kinds of fields, from a semi-truck driver, to a digital marketer, to a franchisee owner, to brick and mortar stores, to coaches, to a public speaker. They could be saving thousands of dollars. I do have a free class online at The Great Discovery. It's www. I have to figure out how many W's I said. Sally Gibbon, my first name and my last name, because I want people to know this information. You'll get a 23-minute presentation. You get 3 articles from Forbes magazine that I didn't write, somebody else wrote. You'll get 2 pages of case law, and then a chart that I'm showing that if you are filing single and making $80,000 gross in all 50 states, how much you will save. Yes, there are 4 ways to file your taxes: single, head of household, married jointly, or married separately. There's 7 layers to taxes, from 10% to 37%. My personal story is in 2019, I was working full-time as a Medicare broker, and I wholesaled 7 properties nationwide. I paid off $184,000 in debt, and I was a rock star in my real estate group. I had $50,000 sitting aside to pay for my capital gains, and unfortunately, I did not realize my tax bracket went from 22% to 24%. All of a sudden, I owed the federal government $97,000 in short-term capital gains. Yikes. It was the start of COVID. 3 of my properties didn't pay me, and money was tight. My CPA set me up on a payment plan with the IRS. Well, since I was working from home and saving 2 hours commute each day, I researched the Spendthrift Trust for 5 months. In September of 2020, I started both my business trust for my online businesses and then my beneficial trust for my real estate. Now, if you're selling a business, you do need the beneficial trust to save the capital gains. I just helped a gentleman who is selling his Medicare business for $132,000, and in April 15th of 2025, he will either save $48,000 or $64,000. He's 66 years old. This is his money. He does not have to pay the federal government. That's an amazing thing. So if you're a business owner, entrepreneur, franchisee owner, independent contractor, affiliate marketer, a digital marketer, you could be saving thousands of dollars. To give you, I do take you out to a free website, www.nerdwallet, so find out about that. To give you an idea, a local pizzeria here in the Charlotte area, they have 2 locations. They're making about $15,000 a month gross. So they $180,000 a year gross. They will save $34,953 every single year. What they did with their money, they opened up a 3rd location in 2024, and in 2025 they'll open up a 4th location. When they retire in 30